With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us solve this question. The question says that two atoms of hydrogen combine to form a molecule of hydrogen gas. The energy of the H2 molecule is option A greater than that of separate atoms, option B equal to that of separate atoms, option C lower than that of separate atoms, and option D sometimes lower and sometimes higher. So in this question we have to tell that when two hydrogen atoms combine to form a molecule of hydrogen gas, then what will be the energy of the H2 molecule, right? So suppose we have two hydrogen atoms. This is one hydrogen atom and this is second hydrogen atom, right? So there will be attractive forces between the two molecules. So in this first molecule, suppose this is in center, we have one proton in the nucleus, and here we have one electron of other hydrogen atom. So there will be attractive force between the nucleus of this hydrogen and the electron of this hydrogen, and also there will be electron of this hydrogen atom, and here in the center we have a nucleus of this hydrogen atom. Here we have one proton, right? So in the this electron will attract this nucleus, right? So there will be attractive forces between the two hydrogen atoms. Attractive forces between these two hydrogen atoms, right? So what happens, they will approach towards each other, and at a particular distance they form a bond. At a particular distance they form a bond like this, and at this particular distance, which is known as internuclear distance, they have the lowest energy. They have lower energy, or you can say lowest energy, in comparison to these hydrogen atoms, because we know that stability is inversely proportional to energy. So lower will be the energy, more will be the stability. So when they form a bond at a particular distance, so they have the lowest energy and they will be stable. So here the correct option will be, if we look at option, in option it is given greater than that of separate atom. This is wrong. In option B it is given equal to that of separate atom. This is also wrong. In option C it is given lower than that of separate atom. This is correct. In option D it is given lower and sometimes higher. This is also wrong. So correct option is option C, lower than that of separate atoms. So option C is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.